Welcome to the viewers of Sri Shankara TV. I am indeed happy today to take you to meet Professor N.S. Ramaswamy. An eminent person in Bangalore and in India, I am happy to take you through a day in the life of Professor. Here we are in the house of Professor N.S. Ramaswamy, waking up at 4 a.m. even now at the age of 84. You would not dream his age. Full of happiness, gust and zeal, he packs in enormous amount of stuff in one day. His office and his home are the temple where he pursues his wonderful goals. Beginning his day with prayer in the family altar in order to bring a philosophical and spiritual dimension to his goals and ideals, Professor Ramaswamy prays. Fortunately, as per the Indian tradition, his wife, Mrs. Rajam Ramaswamy, is a full-fledged partner in all his activities and provides able support. The Cartman staff enjoy every moment of the day and provide tremendous support and service because of his friendly, supportive and encouraging words. In fact, it is a mutual learning and supportive process that they have in the office. With every nook and corner filled with books, and more books. Professor's house is a library itself and can even be called a temple of learning. His house is a wonderful abode for Goddess Saraswati herself. Hello, I'm sure you have been overwhelmed by the beauty of this wonderful institute, the institute called the Indian Institute of Management, Bangalore. We are here today to talk about Professor N.S. Ramaswamy, the founder director of this wonderful institute, also Padma Bhushan for social work and National Professor in Management. We have just viewed all these wonderful sites. When he came here in 1973, there was literally not a blade of grass. Out of nothing, he has created this wonderful ambience, and we all applaud him for that. Let us go inside. Maybe we can meet Professor Ramaswamy and some of his colleagues as well. Please join me. Namaskara, Professor Ramaswamy. I'm so happy to be here at IIM Bangalore, the little baby that you nurtured and created. So I wanted to ask you about the uniqueness of the Indian Institute of Management, Bangalore.
Well, in Indian concept, education is character building. Second, education is the one which takes you to nearer God, if you like, material prosperity, if you like. So we want to bring in this institution a temple-like atmosphere, sanctity, serenity, sacredness, and a blend of man, animal and nature. So you will find in this institution that the architecture, the space, the plant life around us, and also the way it is designed is to bring together ancient concept of management with Vastu Shastra, if you like, at one end, Mughal architecture or Hindu architecture like Rameshwar temple or the Madurai temple. So it blended together all the beautiful concept of ancient thought and wisdom at one line and the modernity at the other end. Second concept which he brought in is that since students are going to come here from all parts of India, they should feel proud of our country, proud of our heritage, proud of our culture, and therefore they should stay in with sufficient freedom. You come into this campus, you will find that you are in harmony with nature, you are harmony with the building which you have made, a harmony with the people going around the place. And I also brought in the idea that teachers and trees take time to grow. So I planted trees first and brought teachers here, and all teaching in IIM Bangalore has been centered around the teacher's knowledge. We did not prescribe a curriculum for them, no syllabus for them, and I told them what you teach should be relevant for this country. So social relevance is the one single word which I can say is IIM Bangalore famous for. We are now 7 institutions now. There are 2,000 other institutes in this country, but IIM Bangalore stays unique. It's been ranked as a #1 in Asia and also one of the 500 in the whole world because of its special, unique features which are brought in, centered around man. And therefore, professors, Guru, in our country's concept, Guru is above God. Therefore, in this institution, the teachers were given the highest place. They were given freedom, they were given autonomy, they were given all facilities and amenities which they want to, and they worked in total in tune with the ancient concept of man, animal and nature.
Namaskara and thank you, Professor N.S. Ramaswamy. We are immensely happy, the viewers and I, to be sitting with you at the Indian Institute of Management, Bangalore. Namaskara, Professor Malti Somaya. Welcome you. On this occasion, I want you to just share your thoughts as one of the contemporaries and colleagues of Professor N.S. Ramaswamy.
Actually, as you know, he is the founding director of IIM Bangalore. Now, the institute was 3-year-old when I joined here at IIM Bangalore. When I came, Professor N.S. Ramaswamy interviewed me, and one of the things that I came to know was that this institute is not only meant for, or the emphasis was on public sector, it was a unique institution where we started for the first time in the history of any management program in the country, an emphasis on sectoral management.
I thank you, Professor Somaya, for your thoughts.
Professor NSR as he is affectionately called by all of us. He is a very strong personality. He has harmoniously combined in himself both the aspects of Stoic as well as the Epicurean in himself. His management style has been one of choosing the right people and leaving the rest to them. And he also has a great deal of magnanimity. He has a perspective on many things.
Hello, Mr. Vasisht. How are you?
Good. How are you?
Very nice. We are here in this beautiful campus, and I want you to tell us a little more about the beginnings and the present of this beautiful campus.
Yeah, of course. This is the most beautiful campus what we have in not only in Bangalore but in the entire country.
Of course.
I don't think one would get to see much greener, much beautiful campus in the entire country. Professor N.S. Ramaswamy, when he was the director, of course I was not there, but the minute I entered this campus,
Right.
I heard only about Professor N.S. sir.
Right.
You ask any staff, any faculty, any student, they would always, they come out with the name of Professor N.S. sir,
Right.
Pitamaha of IIMB.